Hello and welcome to part 3 of Broken Down. In this episode, we're going to be looking at breaking down another section of Rochdale where most commonly people fail, known as Crawford Street. On Crawford Street, many people fail their test either at the beginning of the test or coming towards the end of the test when they're heading back to the test centre. So, although the test can feel like, spiraling round in circles, however, this time we're going to break it down so you can pass your test with ease. Let's take a look. So we're on our way back to the test centre. It's the last moments before my test finishes. I think everything went well. And then we got Crawford Street. So we're going to break it down each step of the way. Let's go. So we've got a giveaway here to deal with. We're just going to check both ways, make sure it's safe to go. Take note of the 20 sign at the beginning there, so we know the speed limit is now 20. We've got obstruction on the left here. So after these cars, I'm just going to come slightly in case somebody comes flying around that corner in front of me. Nobody coming, checking my right mirror and heading back out. Many people fail for just staying on the right, not even considering what could come the other way, and then getting caught right in front of a car coming the other way. Now here, the oncoming car's got priority, so I'm just going to work my way up step by step. So do I need this gap? Answer is no, so I'm just going to continue. Do I need the next gap? Answer is no, so I will continue. Do I need these gaps? At the moment, no. So I've got enough time here just to get through there. So we've got to make sure you work your way up, step by step, up Crawford Street. Now here we've got priority. You can see the obstructions on the right side. If somebody's not giving you way, then by all means do show some good defensive driving by allowing them to finish. That is the end of Crawford Street, and we're going to be going back into the driving test centre by turning left at the roundabout, taking the first exit. I hope that helps. If you have any questions, please leave your comments below. But otherwise, please subscribe, follow, and check out our next videos coming out soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.